car. You should get that car.
At the stop sign and left.
You didn't see it. It's in LA. And so the front-facing camera footage helped in catching the guy.
That's awesome.
Because my old dash cam only recorded the outside. So I got a new one so I can record the inside just in case of that shit happening.
I wouldn't have it like that in my car in LA because I'd be too worried that someone would like break into my car to steal it.
They're like $50.
Yeah.
And like it's
but
very.
No, it's not that that's $50. It's like that plus my broken window plus you know what I mean. Like it's almost like incentivizing it. Like I always like I don't even leave my fucking charging cables in the car in LA.
I mean.
I like tied them here. Oh, are we fucking serious? Dude, we're out of light. Did someone hit him in the back?
I don't know, man.
Put your like these lights on. Shift to park, and then you can. Maybe you can't do it.
The fucking door's not.
Oh, I was like, what the hell is going on? Well, at least it's still a red light. So it's not like that was weird.
That is. We have the footage. Oh my god.
We were
That's gonna be fucking
but did
awesome.
we, or was this covering it?